low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So many will be shocked by the news that we are going to publish here. The new iPhone 14 Pro Max will be shockingly higher in the prices and will be the most expensive Apple iPhone smartphone ever released. The first batch of iPhone 14 will include 90 million smartphones. The mass production will start in August, as it became known that Apple plans to prepare for the start of sales in September. The starting batch of iPhone 14 smartphones in the amount of 90 million units. Last weekend, the news slipped that the first batch of the orders for the iPhone 14 series had been reduced by about 10% or 90 million smartphones. However, the Economic Daily reported today that Apple's supply chain manufacturers have not received Apple's notice of order cuts, and the original target of 90 million iPhone 14s has remained unchanged. The report also reveals that Foxconn expects to begin mass production of the new iPhone 14 series at the end of August. Currently, the factory in Zhengzhou is actively recruiting. According to available data, iPhone 14 smartphones will rise in price compared to their predecessors. The 128GB version of the iPhone 14 Pro will cost $1,100 while the iPhone 14 Pro Max will start at $1,200. The older version of the iPhone 14 Pro Max can go up to $1,700. It should get 1TB of flash memory. The estimates made by the insider actually match those provided by LIKE Apple Pro back in January. If those price tags turned out to be accurate, fans could shell out up to $1,699 for an Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max with 1TB of flash memory. This follows Apple's current pricing strategy, which is asking for an extra $500 on the top of the iPhone 14 Pro Max $1,099. Pricing tag for those who want 1TB of built-in storage. The $1,699 price tag would make the 1TB iPhone 14 Pro Max the most expensive Apple iPhone smartphone ever released, bearing special editions or limited third-party models. According to rumors, Apple will add an autofocus system on the front camera. Apple will add an autofocus system to the front camera of the iPhone 14, which will significantly improve the quality of selfies and videos. Suppliers will be Genius and Cowell. The front camera aperture of the iPhone 14 is reported to be f1.9. Key hardware upgrades include the addition of a new VCM driver supplied by Alps and Luxshare, and a move to a 6-lens 6P plastic lens versus the existing 5P. Lenses will be supplied by Genius and Largan. The screens of the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max will use adaptive refresh rate technology, which automatically adjusts the screen refresh rate based on what is displayed on the screen. This ensures smooth operation and save battery energy. The presentation of Apple, as reported, will take place in mid-September. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
I make a change, rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope,